Hello dear friends of the folded sheet, I'm Tevin from Tevin's Origami Instructions, and today I'm showing off my favorite paper. It is by the brand Toyo. It comes in this nice blue box wrapped in plastic wrap, and just heads up, I paid for this myself. Nobody incentivized me to make this video. It's just the fact that I think this is the best value paper I have seen so far, and that is why I'm recommending it. It's around $20 in various online stores, €20. I will link a few. If it's a commission, I will tell you in the description. So it is 15 times 15 centimeters, which is the usual size. Down here on the bottom of the box, there's instructions for an inside reverse fold and mountain fold and belly fold, and the symbols that are used for it. I know that because I know origami. I don't know Japanese, so also this free instructions I never use. It looks simple enough, but flowers are just not my favorite origami topic, so I never tried it. But for a complete unboxing, it also comes with that. Secondly, the paper. 60 different colors is more than I ever needed, and the paper is really beautiful. Special attention should be paid to the silver and the gold, which is basically industrial tissue foil. The cheapest way to get your hands on tissue foil is probably buying this box if you need origami paper anyway. And my favorite thing about this is the box that does live long enough if you're a little careful, and you can carry around your paper until it's used up. Because I don't have a special origami shelf or something, so I really appreciate this box. Let's look at the paper. The paper is rather shiny compared to like cheap origami paper. I got some here of Hema, but a lot of different brands sell it, and it basically feels like the paper that sometimes comes with paper notebooks to suck up ink. Those pink sheets, it feels like the same paper. It feels worse than printer paper, which usually is nice and smooth. This is rather rough, and the bigger issue, besides it's not being shiny as the nice origami paper and being a little thicker, is that it can't hold a crease. It's somewhere between toilet paper and a notepad. So toilet paper doesn't hold a crease at all. This does a little bit, but I really can't recommend it. You already see the left, the sheet springs up, and already the fold is slimmer. Even though I try to do it the same, you can see it. There's a clear difference between how well the fold is held up. So that is why I recommend avoid the very cheap paper that's not shiny if you're gonna do anything more complicated. With children, the cheap paper will be fine. They will not mind, but everything more complicated, and you can see the left one is standing up way more. That is why I recommend this paper or other professional paper. This one is the cheapest. So I hope you enjoyed this. Links in the description where you can get it. See you next time. Bye bye.